There was an organized gang of thieves which was continuously committing house thefts at night. This group was seen committing thefts in the early hours of morning, and these thefts were being committed in a very organized manner, resulted in leaving very little evidence. We were, however, able to see that one person was seen in most of the CCTV footage which we were receiving, and in that CCTV footage we could see that there was one person who was committing these thefts wearing a mask. The team of Porvarim police station was able to identify and subsequently arrest the main accused in this case. This accused has been identified as one Mr. Maria Santana Baptista. He is son of Pedro Antonio Baptista. He is a resident of Peda Grande, Benolim. The other accused who has been identified is one Mr. Mohammad Sufyan. He is son of Rashid. He is 20 years old. He is a resident of Navalim, Madgaon, Goa. Other than these two persons, we have also we've been questioning other people who've been involved in this crime, and we've identified two people who are believed to have been receivers of this stolen property. These two questioning is at this moment going on with these two other suspects, and necessary legal action will be taken against them.